We started the company back in the Great Recession in 2009. We were living up in the North State in the Reading area. I was in the real estate business at the time, and that was tanking. And we were just looking for something different to do. I had a family member who had done something like this in the past prior, and we got the idea from them and kind of ran with it. When we started as a C&D processor, we were shipping our wood waste material to a company that was making colored mulches. At the same time, we had landscape contractors coming in to dump their materials in our yard, and we understood that they were then leaving our facility to go somewhere else to buy colored mulches. And I'm not a genius or anything, but it was kind of an easy match to make where I'm sending my wood waste to, they're making colored mulch, and my customer who was just here dropping off their wood waste now needs colored mulch. I can meet that need. So we started as a retail yard out of the gate with the idea that if it grew and we could find a spot to do it in, we could start producing our own colored mulches, which is what we do now. Be able to go directly to the manufacturer, the people who make the machine, the people who have engineering on their team, who listen to your concerns, who care about what broke and maybe have ideas, or we've seen that happen, or let's take that into consideration for something down the road, is a huge advantage as an operator. Because what we have today, in their many years of developing product, and I started a relationship with Rotochopper just as a friendship thing 12 years ago, and to now be an owner now for the last 2 years running our FP-66, we've had no downtime in 2 years, none. And that's unheard of in a high-speed grinder environment. And we haven't changed anything in our process to improve that. This machine is more robust and can handle the types of contaminants that we had gotten that would injure our prior machine that doesn't injure the Rotochopper. And being direct to the manufacturer, there's wear parts that are going to be on any piece of equipment, and we can get them handily. The support is there. There's techs that can come out and help my repair crew work on things, or give them the insight on how to get something repaired. As a buyer and as an operator of a Rotochopper piece of equipment, I don't feel like they just wanted to sell me a piece of equipment and they're on to the next deal. The support's there, the care for how we're doing it is there. My techs can talk to their techs and keep us supported. My operators will get feedback from some of their support techs and become better operators, and how they can operate things better. So there's more than just selling a piece of equipment to the operator. It's let's make this guy a better operator. It took him, I think, 12 years before we finally bought a Rotochopper piece of equipment, and I'm so glad we did.